In this video, we're going to look at the usage of dates and times effectively and examine a few date functions, which hopefully will come in handy. So Excel recognizes dates as numbers, and the earliest system recognized date is the 1st of January 1900. Now, this date is seen as a number by Excel, and the earliest date is seen as day number 1. Now, if we were to note down today's date, so the 17th of the 12th, that's automatically noted down as a date. And we can express this again as a number. So that would make it day number 44547. Essentially, this is day 44,547 since the earliest date. And we can find a difference between two different dates. So for example, on the earlier two, we can do that minus that, which will give us a sum, and we can divide roughly by 365 days, which would mean that it's 122 years since that earliest date. Again, finding the difference between two different dates, we can start with, let's say, the 11th of March, 2020. And today's date, the 17th of the 12th, 2021. So these two dates might be of some significance. The first one being the first day that the current pandemic was recognized as a pandemic. We convert them both into numbers. On the second date is today's date. So we convert them to numbers, and we do the bigger date minus the smaller date, which gives us a total of 646 days since the pandemic was declared. If we want to convert that into a year, roughly divided by 365, that shows that the pandemic has been going on for 1.77 years. Almost 2 years. Date functions. So an easier way to find today's date, well, arguably, because if you don't know today's date, you could just take a look at it on the right bottom side of your screen. But you can also do another formula. Okay. Provides you with the date today. And if you want a more specific date that includes the time, you can do that provides you the exact date and time, and we can reformat that so that we have 4:17 p.m. Now these are dynamic, so each time you open a spreadsheet, these will provide you with today's the date of and the time of whenever it is that you open that spreadsheet. So this will, if we were to open the spreadsheet tomorrow and refresh the formulas, it would provide us give us a date, the 18th, the 12th, and whatever the time might happen to be at that point. I hope this was of some use. Thanks for watching.